In today's video, we are introducing the FlatTrak Custom Low Clearance Trailer, the ultimate solution for all your equipment and transport needs. Designed with the industry-leading technology, the FlatTrak provides unmatched reliability and performance for a variety of applications. Let's dive into the incredible features that make the FlatTrak the go-to choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The FlatTrak 3/16 diamond plate deck is built to withstand the toughest conditions. With an 80-inch clear deck width, it accommodates a wide range of equipment, while the durable anti-slip deck coating ensures maximum safety during loading and unloading. Innovation meets versatility with the FlatTrak's torsion bar suspension system, allowing for a smooth ride and improved handling even in the most challenging terrain. The 14-gauge diamond plate fenders and mod wheels with radial tires add to the trailer's durability and performance. Effortlessly connect the FlatTrak to your towing vehicle using the 2 5/16 adjustable coupler and 12K top-line bolt-on drop-leg jack. The Dexter self-adjusting electric brakes provide exceptional stopping power, giving you peace of mind on the road. The sealed Phillips modular wiring harness and grommet-mounted LED lights ensure optimum visibility, safety day or night. The lockable A-frame toolbox provides secure storage for your essential tools, while the weld-on D-rings make securing your equipment a breeze. The onboard battery charger keeps the hydraulics fully charged and ready to go. The FlatTrak's standout feature is its hydraulic lowering system, which allows the trailer to lie completely flat on the ground for easy loading and unloading of low-clearance equipment. Say goodbye to the hassle of ramps and the risk of damaging your valuable assets. Our model number FCH8018 boasts a GVWR of 14,000 pounds and an empty weight of 4,000 pounds. With 4 sturdy wheels and superior construction, the FlatTrak is ready to tackle your toughest transport challenges. Choose the FlatTrak Custom Low Clearance Trailer for its unparalleled performance, innovative design, and durability. Transport your equipment with confidence and ease, knowing that you've invested in the best trailer on the market. Discover the FlatTrak difference today.
To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckvilletrailers.com. Or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.